this way.
All right up to the end.
It's a bit scary.
Don't
Waiting
get
for
the fences,
me.
it's still electrifying.
Make sure we are keeping our distance from the fence, guys, but please make your way down to the end. We just have to hold you in here till we find out what's going on, but I'm sure everything's absolutely fine. Nothing to worry about.
We have a containment issue and the technical problem. I'm sure everything will be fine. We'll be out in a minute. Please, come closer, please.
Please make your way to the final paddock of your journey, where you will have the opportunity to see one of the largest dinosaurs here at Jurassic World.
Team, what's going on?
I really don't know.
Please make your way to the final paddock of your journey, where you will have the opportunity to see one of the largest dinosaurs here at Jurassic
There's our
World.
Carnotaurus, he is definitely knows who's
Please make your way to the final paddock of your journey, where you will have the opportunity to see one of the largest dinosaurs here at Jurassic World.
Easy, we move right out here.
Check the fuse valve! Check the fuse valve! Let us go!
It's just a light thing, I didn't see the magic word!
Jump throw!
Alright guys, everyone stay still! Stay still, you're fine! Listen, behind us!
Did they reset the phone?
Alright, so they're looking at each other, they're not looking at us, okay? She scared the Carnotaurus away, so it's just the T-Rex, it's just the T-Rex, everybody stay still!
She's gone.
Tiny man,
What is he?
is it 9999? Yes, alright guys, everybody feeling all right?
Everybody right, everybody right.
Run, guys, run!
Stand to the fence! Stand still! Right back, right back, right back, right back! Stand still, right back, right back!
Alright, everybody through! Get back to the fence, make sure you're down now! Make sure you're down there!
Should we come in a minute?
Oh,
Stand still, stand still!
she's so close to us! What are you doing?
Is she going? No! Are you sure? Please, go, please!
No, please! Thank you! As quickly as we can!
Anybody left anybody?